As the conveyor vibrates, dry soil breaks free from the freshly harvested eggplants. Heavy clumps tumble through the grates, leaving the produce cleaner and lighter for the next step.
In a perfect rhythm, thousands of eggplants ride these synchronized lines, each one guided by sensors and polished steel. The belts keep them aligned, rotating just enough to show their deep.
Robotic arms read every curve and color shift, assigning a grade before the produce even leaves the belt. Robotic arms steer them into dedicated lanes, separating by size.
After washing and inspection, each eggplant finds its lane. Guided by stainless dividers, they're aligned, measured, and set gently into trays. Polished.
Color looks great on the rest though.
Yeah, harvest was clean this morning.
Keep an eye for bruising on the undersides.
Will do.
Freshly cut eggplant wedges move along the perforated belt, their skins gleaming under the white lights. As they drop into the polished inlet, the extractor's auger pulls them.
From the first crush to the final pour, every stage is precision, timed. Eggplants are pulped, the juice filtered clear, and powerful pumps push the
On this line, precision is measured in millimeters and milliseconds. Clear PET bottles glide through the stainless world like clockwork, each one identical, each one ready.
Along this line, Every bottle is identical, filled to the milliliter with glossy violet eggplant juice. Robotic hands lift them with practiced precision, lowering each one.
Okay, bring it in. Good lighting. Perfect. Set it down. Now it's clear.
Under a winter night sky and the glow of sodium lamps, the last convoy rolls out. Each trailer is packed to the ceiling with glass bottles of deep violet eggplant juice, sealed and ready for the road.